be in love. What's up, y'all? I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this Blessed by the Best studio, the Jaren M. LeGrare studio. I saw this last night and I was like, oh, this is a wonderful song and a cool song to talk about for this channel because of the vocals being so definitively executed. And I love both these artists, so I said we might as well just talk about them, you know, since we're here. So let's do it, y'all. Here's my own voice analysis of USHER and H.E.R singing Risk It All. One thing she's gonna do is keep that warm, it's almost like she neutralizes her lip shape and really sings in that nice, warm, kind of neutralized or more rounded, you know, speech-like lip shape that she has. I love that.
Yeah, baby.
I also like Usher's slightly more brighter timbre with her more warmer timbre. It makes a cool contrast and a cool blend that they have. He just has a naturally brighter voice, kind of like a tenory bright voice. And so I think that coupled with H.E.R's warm, lush alto-iness, if you will, it really makes for a cool contrast and a cool blending between the two.
Like a condition, like a religion, so easily mistreated is every decision. Sometimes it's hell and sometimes it's heaven. It's overcomplicated, but baby, I don't mind.
I don't mind. That mind was nice and straight right there. And the rest of the verse has some vibrato in it, but that I don't mind. And the way he moved to the diphthong of mind was really smooth too. It was really gradual and equal in execution.
Feeling like I'm bound to fall.
Fall. A little breathy offset on the fall. Fall. With a little vocal emphasis on the word fall. Fall. That re-emphasis right there. Fall. With a little breathy offset at the end right there.
Close my eyes, baby, I would risk it all.
You heard a lot more of that breathy offset on oh. You hear a lot of breathing in the vocal line too. You know who else does this quite a bit is Billie Eilish, especially in What Was I Made For from Barbie. But I think hearing the artist breathe while they sing, or kind of hear them breathe in the recording, it's such a humane aspect to the vocal line. And I don't mind hearing it. You know, I like the breathiness. I like hearing that stuff. And I like hearing the breathing within the vocal line when it's intentional, when you want it in there, because this song is super duper intimate. So you want that closeness. And you know, when you hear people super close, you hear them breathe. When they're whispering, when you're close to them, you hear them breathe. You hear all those little things. And so it brings a level of intimacy, you know, to the song and to the vocal line when they have those breathing moments or those breathy offsets fall in the song.
Yeah. Sometimes it's tragic, it's so problematic. People are crying for it.
Problematic. That K or that C sound, the K sound on problematic was super soft. Problematic. Really soft. It was there, but it was very tiny. It was very tiny, which is good. It's really intentional, you know. Problematic. Yeah.
People are dying for it. Always the
people are dying for it. Not for it. The word is for it, right? People are dying for it. But they said for it. So they kind of opened up for it. Opened up that vowel a little bit instead of for it. Yeah, for it.
reason we still believe in something that leaves us hurting. It's worth it. I don't mind.
I don't mind. He had a little little run right there and then broke it up with a breathy offset again, or a breathy step. I don't mind. I got the run wrong, but you see what I'm saying? He had that breathy stop, that breathy break within that mind right there. And they're both doing a lot of play within each other and vocal crossing and all these other things while they're singing. They're acting independent, but still very cohesive. So it really makes a cool blend in terms of two people singing this song to each other, if you will, or singing the song period, but you have this vocal crossing of the independence of the vocal line, the independence of the thought of the vocal lines, you know, and the independence of the intimacy of the vocal lines. Yeah.
Feeling like I'm bound to fall, falling. Close my eyes, baby, I will risk it all.
That baby, I would risk it all, that harmony and the breathiness that they brought. Baby, I would risk it all. They really are keeping a lot of that breathiness in the vocal line. And I really, really, really enjoy that.
Just to be loved,
be in love. He kind of went from like a heady flip right there. Be in love. A really soft flip right there. Yeah.
I just wanna be in love, be in love.
Get down there, Usher. Be in love. I heard that low. I can't get down there, but he was up for a minute. Oh, some kind of high note, and then he be in love. Like, that was pretty wide range and a really quick execution of range, you know? Yeah, all right, Usher.
I don't mind feeling like I'm about to fall. Oh, baby.
Again, it's that nasal, that really neutralized lip shape. Oh, baby, yeah. Oh, baby. As a part of her color. But she can still get bright and all those things, of course. I'm not saying that she's limited. I'm just saying she really stays in that pocket of that warmth and that neutralized vowel shape when she sings. But she can definitely still get bright and do what she needs to do. Absolutely. But I think her sweet spot, or one of her sweet spots, is that neutralized, that really lush, warm sound that she's known for.
Close my eyes, baby, I will risk it all.
Oh, yeah. Her did that little flip too. Oh, yeah. Right there.
I don't mind.
Sing her. I don't mind. You hear what she did right there? I can't really do it like she did because I forget what it was. But she had a little ascending run and then hit that head voice. Hey, right there at the end. All right, here.
Feeling like I'm bound to fall.
Fall. So she changed the shape of the vowel on fall. Fall. So see, I'm doing fall. So I'm literally changing the shape of the word fall to fit the finesse of the run.
Baby, I would risk it all.
That all had a breathy onset and offset. Did you see how I added air before the phonation, or before the vocal folds came together, before the vibration came together, and then I let it go and still had everything in. You see?
Oh, just to be loved, be in love, be in love, be loved, be loved.
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below, then click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And give this a like and a thumbs up to get out to more people if you enjoyed it yourself. And as I will always say to you, vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all soon.